कृतवारिणि घोरतरं फणिनं प्रतिवारयितुं कृतधीर्भगवन् द्रुतमारिथतीरगणीपतरुं विषमारुतशोषितपर्णचयम् अधिरुह्य पदाम्बुरुहेण च तं नवपल्लवतुल्यमनोज्ञरुचा हृदवारिणि दूरतरं न्यपतः परिघूर्णितघोरतरङ्गगणे भुवनत्रयभारभृतो भवतो गुरुभारविकम्पि विजृम्भिजला परिमज्जयति स्म धनुष्यतकं तटिनी झटिति स्फुटघोषवती अथ दिक्षु विदिक्षु परिक्षु बितभ्रमतोदरवारिनिनादबरै उदकात् उदकात् उरगाधिपतिस्त्वदुपान्तमशान्तरुषान्दमना फणशृङ्गसहस्रविनिस्मृरज्ज्वलदग्निकणोग्रविशाम्बुदरं पुरतः फणिनं समलोकयता बहुशृङ्गिनमञ्जनशैलमिव ज्वलदक्षि परीक्षरदुग्रविशस्वशनोष्मभर समहाभुजग परिदश्य भवन्तम् अनन्तबलं समवेष्ट्ययदस्फुटचेष्टमहो अविलोक्य भवन्तमथाकुलितो तटगामिनि बालकदेनुगणे प्रजगेह तलेप्य निमित्तशतं समुदीक्ष्य गता यमुनां पशुपा अखिलेषु विभो भवदीयदशामवलोक्य जिहासुषु जीवभरं फणिबन्धनमाशु विमुच्य जवात् उदगम्यतः सजुषा भवता अधिरुह्य ततः फणिराजफणा न नृते भवता मृदुपादरुचा कलशिञ्जिति नूपुरमञ्जुमिलत् करकङ्कणसङ्कुलसङ्क्वणितम् जघृषुः पशुपास्ततुषुर्मुनयोर्ववृषुर्कुसुमानि सुरेन्द्रगणा त्वयि नृत्यति मारुतगेहपते परिपाहि समां त्वमदान्तगता त्वयि नृत्यति मारुतगेहपते परिपाहि समां त्वमदान्तगता त्वयि नृत्यति मारुतगेहपते परिपाहि समां त्वमदान्तगता हरये नमः गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते।
Bayam is nothing but fear. Krishna is God. He never fears anything. He pretended to be afraid of his mother and she used to scold him. He pretended to be afraid of the several people who came to kill him. You know, he used to be looking around. There was a beautiful decoration done for Krishna in their house by Nandagopa. Nandagopa had fixed some soft glasses on the floor where Krishna can see himself and have reflection of himself. At that time, when Krishna was crawling, he used to look around and see whether there are some demons coming so that he can kill them. But people mistook it as Krishna was fearing that somebody is going to come and kill him. It was never possible. Krishna, they attempted to kill Krishna 21 times and all the attempts were only futile. They were only able to get salvation because Krishna had no fear. He is a person who removes fear. Bhayakrit Bhayanasana. God creates fear. Narasimha created fear. But what he did? He came out and saved Prahlad from the clutches of his father. Bhayakrit Bhayanasana. As the Vishwarupadhari, Lord Krishna instilled fear in the minds of Arjuna. He did invoke fear. That has been portrayed beautifully by my father, Kothamangalam Vishwanathan, in his Tamil translation of Gita. Nidundola, உன் பல பல முகங்கள், நீண்ட கரங்கள், பல பல தொடைகள், தோள்கள், பல பல பாதம், தெற்றி பற்கள், இவையெல்லாம் கண்டே உலகம் அனைத்தும் அஞ்சி ஒடுங்கிட உன்னை கண்டு நானும் அஞ்சினேன். I got scared on seeing your, Vishwarupam, says Arjuna. on seeing his lot of faces and the kind of teeth that were revealed. Everything was, and all in his legs and long hands, everything caused fear, says Arjuna, for which Krishna says, பயத்தை விடுத்து களத்தில் இறங்கி பகைவரை எதிர்த்து போரினை புரிவாய். Just forget, don't fear anything, go ahead, fight and win. That is what Lord Krishna said. न वासुदेव भक्तानाम असुभम विद्यते क्वचित् जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि भयम नैवोपजायते. We have fear of life, we have fear of death, we have fear of enemies, but as long as God is there, He will remove all the fears. He will make us free from anxiety and fear, says the Vishnu Sahasranama. Adbudam, wonder. Krishna's life was filled with miracles and wonders. At birth, Krishna appeared as Lord Vishnu. That is a wonder. He transformed himself and he went into Gokulam. He killed so many demons at a very young age. That shows his greatness. When Brahma wanted to test him, he ensured that all his calves, cows and his friends were taken to a separate place and hidden. And Krishna manifested himself as each one of them. And so there was so much confusion in the mind of Brahma that he submitted himself to Lord Krishna. Such miracles were performed. When Mother Yashoda wanted to know whether Krishna had consumed sand, he opened his mouth and she was able to see the entire universe there. She was able to see the lakes, she was able to see herself, she was able to see Lord Krishna, forests and so many things. Everything in the world was seen in his mouth. That is another wonder of Krishna. It's Vishwarupam and the Gita Amritam, the Bhagavad Gita. Everything is so beautiful and amazing. Krishna took several forms with gopis. There used to be 2 Krishna and 1 gopi, or 2 gopis and 1 Krishna. He could take several forms. He could manifest himself in several forms. The Kalinga Nardhanam was also an Adbhutam. Krishna lifted the Govardhana Giri. Andal and Mirabai always praise him for his ability to lift it and also his intention to save the people from rain. What is the beauty of a 7-year-old boy who lifted the Govardhana Giri? Narayana Tirthar in his song Govardhana Giridharatara explains the beauty of Krishna and the way in which he lifted the mountain. Neelamegha Shama Govardhana Giridhari Parthivihari Shama Murari Vrija Gopi Priyanandana Rasa Vihari Manamala Dharamurali Bansidhari Krishna Murari Natavara Nagara Sauri Brindavana Sanjari Shyama Murari Brindavana Sanjari Sai Murari Neelamegha Shyama Govardhana Giridhari. Shantam. Krishna was always at peace. Madhusudana, Manamohana, you've always been at peace. Krishna was so calm with a smile. He was sitting playing his flute in a beautiful way. He was surrounded by the cows, gopikas and others who were listening to his enchanting music. Mandara Mule Madana Biramam Bimbadara Purida Venunadam Go Gopa Gopi Jana Madhya Samastam Gopam Baje Gokula Purna Chandran. He was like a full moon, which is so beautiful. Moon signifies not only purity, it also signifies a kind of tranquility and peace. So he was like a water body without any problem or any turbulence. That shows the greatness of the Lord. In Krishna Karnamrutam, Leela Sugar enjoys it. Sarasa Guna Negayam सच्चिदानन्दकायं समितसकलमायं सत्यलक्ष्मी सहायं समदमसमुदायं शान्तसर्वान्तरायं हृदयजनदायं नौमि गोपालरायं. He says Krishna Satchit Ananda, that is the name of Krishna. Even while he was christened by Garga Munivar, he was called like that. He was always giving happiness. He is a vanquisher of Maya and he is able to control our senses. He was also controlling his senses. And he was always at peace. He is in our hearts, permanently embedded in the unfathomable depths of our heart. Lord Krishna is our great hero of all times. Vibhasta, it's hatred. Krishna taught us not to have hatred towards anyone. It may seem like Krishna had hatred for Karna. It may seem like Krishna had hatred for others, but he never had it. He was probably angry with them when they failed in their duties and did something wrong. Krishna has taught us in his Bhagavad Gita that we should not have any kind of ego and pride, and we should always have love for every other being, be it humans or anyone else, anything else. Adveshta sarvabhudanam maitra karune evacha nirmamo nirahankaraha sama dukkha sukakshami santushta sadadam yogi yadatma trida nishayaha Mayarpita Manobuddhihi Yomat Bhakta Same Priya. Krishna has taught us to have love for others. If we are not able to give them love, at least we should not show hatred. That is what the Bhagavad Gita teaches us. Lord Krishna, who was so excellent in several arts, has taught us so many things. We have to learn and make use of everything in our everyday life. I'd like to express my thanks to all of them who were part of this program. My special thanks to Kamala Karthik, who rendered the song Pahi Pahi Jagan Mohana Krishna, and also the kid Akshaya, who performed a beautiful dance for the song. She was filled with Shingara Rasam and happiness. I would also like to thank Mrs. Radhika Anand, founder of Mohana, which promotes arts in Dubai, and her daughter, Miss Ananya Anand. We are grateful to you all for the support rendered. Let us all invoke the blessings of Lord Krishna. Asmin paratman anupatma kalpe tomitta mukta pida padmayonihi ananta bhuma mamaroharasim nirundi vadalaya vasa Vishnu Krishna Sharanam.